Financial success looks different for everyone. It's not always about having millions in the bank. What you do with that money is more important than how much you make. All right, in this session, I'm gonna go over a success principle that I've been studying, and it's called the How to Millionaire Mindset, Your Way to Financial Success. And the reason why I'm sharing this video, by no means am I where I want to be as far as financial freedom, as far as revenue that I'm earning monthly and yearly. As far as my financial situation, by no means am I sharing this from that perspective. I'm sharing it from the perspective of I am actually documenting this and repeating this for myself and my children, so I could share with them and myself who I need to become. If you remember or watched any of my previous videos, one of the coolest things that I was taught, that I learned about trying to achieve goals, is not trying to achieve the goal, it's becoming the person you need to become to achieve that goal. So for example, I have a goal to have my company generate $10 million a year in revenue, which is about $800,000 a month in revenue. That will be about $10 million a year in revenue, gross revenue for my company and my services. That's a very aggressive goal. It's a doable goal because I believe in myself, and I know there's other agencies in my industry that do far more than that as far as revenue. So I know it's doable. I've never done it. So instead of me looking at these numbers and being like, oh my gosh, that's so aggressive, that's such a big summit for me to climb, I'm not even at base camp yet. What I have decided to do from what I learned and listened to other mentors and people is look at who the person I need to be that is in a position to manage a business that does $10 million a year in revenue and more. Who is that person? What time does he get up? Does he work out? What are his skills like? Who is he connected with? And it changed the whole game for me, changed the whole paradigm for me of how I look at goals. So this video is about me planting seeds in my mind of millionaire mindset seeds that I could repeat again and watch again for myself, selfishly. This is a selfish video for me. And then selfishly share it with my children and then share it with you. So you could watch and you could see kind of like these points of reference that I'm gonna make right now. And I learned this from somebody that mentors me and coaches me as well. So that's what this session is. Nothing affects a person's mentality and inner peace quite like financial wellness. I grew up in a family where, some Christmases we had plenty of presents under the tree, and some Christmases we had no tree, let alone presents. So I was brought into this world by an amazing family that loved me dearly, immigrants from Greece, that did the best they can to provide for us a roof, food, clothes, and they did provide all that and then some, but they never were here long enough. My mom's still alive, my dad, rest in peace, passed away, but they were never here long enough, and they were never mentored or read the right books or understood financial independence and financial wellness. So they did the best they could with what they knew. But in return, they didn't really teach me and my sister the art and science of becoming financially wealthy. So I had to learn by trial and error, and then now I'm at an age where it's important for me that I break the chain with my children so they understand and don't make the same mistakes that I made, and they could have a better run at this whole financial dependence game. So let's just discuss here what I'm gonna share and what I learned. Let's discuss financial success secrets and why anybody should start right now. Financial success looks different for everyone. It's not always about having millions in the bank. Let's start there. What you do with that money is more important than how much you make. Money can't buy you happiness. It sure helps though. It sure helps. Millionaire mindset. Adapting a millionaire mindset can boost your success with money. Financial success equals a better, more confident you. How do you reach such a desirable state? You educate yourself and develop a plan. And it isn't a destination, but a path to continue on the rest of your life. Financial success equals financial literacy and healthy money habits. Money, earning it, spending it, and saving it has a lot of moving parts. While you may need to learn more about investing in cryptocurrency, for example, financial literacy is the ability to locate the answers or resources to make the wisest decisions. Let's look more into why your finances should matter and how to get yours in working order. What money can buy. It's true that money doesn't buy happiness. There have been some miserable Scrooges with plenty of money to their names. However, having a good handle on your finance does lead to freedom. Spend time and money in a way that aligns with your values. Examples include more family time, travel, and charitable causes. Also, it could be affording college tuition for your children or grandchildren, covering in-home care for an elderly family member with ease, and more, etc., etc. A more meaningful existence driven by purpose and not desperation. Fewer worries over lack of money for necessities, and more opportunities to strive for your desires because you can afford to take the risk. One example is leaving an unfulfilling career to pursue entrepreneurship. I did the same thing. I was in the mortgage industry for 16 plus years. I had a great career, but it wasn't fulfilling for me. I decided to take a risk, and I pivoted in 2017 to launch and open up my company, BSM Vault, which I still own, and that has opened up other doors and opportunities for me, which I'm very grateful and blessed of. I handle finances like a millionaire. This is the part where you're acting as if you're future pacing here. Millionaires honor themselves, their resources, time, and effort with respectful conduct. Once you learn their secrets, you can follow in their footsteps and see familiar financial success. Does that mean you'll bring home as much income as them? No. Income is very job dependent, but as stated in the second fact above, financial success is more about what you do with your money than how much you earn. Let's learn from the mindset of some millionaires. Understand earnings and expenses. Calculate how much money you bring in monthly from different sources. Then list your bills. Subtract your total expenses from the total you bring in. It's a simple P&L model. If you end up with 0 or more in the above calculation, you are adequately covering your expenses and living within your means. If it's less than 0, you must find costs to cut or find new ways to bring in more money. Save and invest. Any money above your expenses should go into savings until you have at least 3 months of living expenses. When you get to 3 months, your next goal should be 6 months, then 12 months of living expenses. This is like your reserve account. This is your like, hey, everything's going downhill. I have my reserve account. I can literally live for 12 months without a job until I figure out what the heck's gonna happen, what my next move is. This money is for a rainy day when, say, your car breaks down, you have an unexpected hospital bill, or your water heater dies, something of a significant expense. Don't forget to start a retirement fund. Put at least 10% of your income into a retirement account for your future, like a Roth IRA or a Roth 401k. Protect your assets. Millionaires prepare for worst-case scenarios as best they can. That includes insuring their assets. Health, home/renters, and auto insurance are your top priorities. Life insurance protects the loved ones you leave behind who depend on you to live. Money in a savings account also acts as a protection against unexpected expenses. Borrow wisely. Look for the best loan deals. Don't borrow more than you can repay. Only borrow when you are sure the outcome is worth the debt. Use resources. Millionaires don't have magic crystal balls to tell the future. Instead, they possess a willingness to learn and the ability to find intelligent people to help them. Education tools and management resources are at your disposal as well. You don't need all the answers or a master's degree in accounting to achieve financial success. Approach what you don't know with a willingness and curiosity to learn. Additionally, accept help, hire, or partner with somebody who has more in-depth financial knowledge than you. How do you know how to find a financial advisor you can trust? That's where educating yourself yields dividends. Not only do you learn how to handle your money wisely, but you also become wiser deciding who to bring on board with you and be part of your wealth team. Give back. It's unexplainable, but what you put into the world comes back to you and then some. Giving a percentage of your excess to help those less fortunate does good in the world and your personal life. Not only does the good come back to reward you, but you gain feelings of gratitude, satisfaction, and purpose. Good for business. These fundamental principles can be applied to any business dealings as well. Business owners can boost employee morale and productivity by assisting their employees with financial success programs. Programs like retirement savings, life and disability insurance, and financial planning/coaching improve job satisfaction, decrease employee stress, boost office productivity, and raise retention rates. Mindset training. Everyone can focus on at least one aspect of their finances to improve. What you focus on allows you to modify your behaviors to steer you towards success in your goals. However, it's easy to lose focus in our loud world. You must continually fill your mind with the right information to focus it daily. This is a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me I am planting the seeds right now, building a millionaire mindset for financial success for myself right now, so I could provide and take care of my family. And then I could also teach my children how to plant financial success mindset seeds as well, so they can grow on the journey of life that they're on, break the chains, become financially independent earlier as opposed to later, learn the lessons of life, and then be able to do the same for their children if they grow a family, and that's what they do on their journey and their life. But either way, I just wanted to share this video. It's an important one. I made it selfishly for me because I want to ingrain in my soul the millionaire mindset and be financially independent, to give more back in the world and provide more value. I just want to take care of people. I've had so many people in my life take care of me over the years, and I want to be able to give back. So this is part of my core foundation, my faith, my personal development, my health and fitness. That's my core 3. And on top of that, I'm going to start stacking on mindset principles, and this is one of them. So hope you enjoyed this video. Take action, and I'll see you on the next session. Bye.